Mr. Gadget is back. Man, the guru is back. What's up, guys?
It's Robin, your body language guru.
Yo, I have so much in store now. We're just gonna get right into this. Guys, this video right here, I'm about to teach you guys so much things about subconscious. Now, if you guys don't know, your subconscious never lies. And the only way you could read subconscious, one of the main telltale reasons you can read subconscious is through body language. Body language is the strongest dating language ever. It's stronger than her saying shit because a lot of girls are not direct. They're not Tiana Trumps. If they were Tiana Trumps in this world, a lot of people would be getting laid because you wouldn't be overseeing these clear telltale signs that they want you. About to watch some Jubilee video, blind dating 6 men. So it's pretty much the girls speed dating these men off their outfits. Now what you're about to see through this video is that this girl is not going off outfits at all. I promise you she's not. She's going off of how they look and the answers she gets from them. Before she answers, I'm gonna tell you what she's even thinking through her subconscious, because girls subconsciously act on body language first and then they say their answer. Now, their answer is going through a whole bunch of filters and they come out very PC, very blue pill, very like correct, very in a way that doesn't hurt no one's feelings. But her subconscious will tell you her raw, honest truth. So let's get right into this. All right, here we go.
What kind of dancing would we do? Like swing dancing? Ball?
It's not very good, but you know, it'll work.
We can work on that.
I'm about to teach you guys this right here. The strongest dating language in the world.
21. So
Wow.
I only started getting into fashion really like my senior year of high school. I had to buy all my own clothes, so I got really into thrifting. I work.
So this part right here, they're pretty much just introducing her. Now, based off of this helps you hack into their subconscious. Now, once you hack into the subconscious, you know their every play. It's like Carmelo Anthony playing against the Knicks. He already knows their plays. He knows what they're about to do, right? Because he's been on that team. So once you download her profile and you see her stats and you scan her, hacking into her subconscious is way easier. So this is very important right here.
Part-time as an environmental consultant.
And she's only telling you what she wants you to hear.
So I can apply to law schools. What I tend to lean towards is like Tyler the Creator, kind of. If a guy can pull off a suit, I'm also very into that too. Maybe into grunge, but also business casual. That would be the perfect man.
What is indie grunge?
Ooh. I'm like not a huge shoe person in general, and they're probably like the last thing I think about when it comes to an
Now, off of shoes, you can tell a lot about a guy.
outfit. But they say that you can tell the most about someone from their shoes.
Oh, what the fuck?
Okay, contestant number 2. I like those shoes a lot. I would wear those shoes, yeah. Also,
Well, we're just spinning fashion
contestant
shoes.
number 4. Those are pretty nice.
Michael Jackson shoes. This guy's a weirdo. I could tell he's a weirdo. You walking around with these shoes, buddy?
I'm curious what's gonna accompany the rest of those. I can't really tell too much off the bat, so. What kind of music is everyone into?
Oh, this is
My
a
favorite
perfect
genre,
question.
Probably like rap, like Kanye, new album Donda. I also listen to like
Why is
pop,
his shoes dirty ass shit? Knowing what he was getting into, and I knew he was a Kanye fan. He's one of those hip hop fans that don't like the cool shit. That's what he
like Ariana Grande, like 100 Gex.
I'm a producer. I make a lot of music from different genres, anything from like reggae to hip hop to house music.
I'm a big R&B guy,
dirty
but
ass shoes,
I definitely
bro.
like to mix it up
What type of crusty ass shoes are those?
with alternative music as well.
I was into a lot of indie rock. My favorite bands are Sad Girl and
You could tell.
called Maxiel. But also a lot of like
She
old
just-
corny music like Frank Sinatra, Dean Martin, Bobby Darin.
I'd say favorite band, Rolling Stones, and favorite artist, Otis Redding.
That's
I
the
like
emo.
Thundercat and Prince. Prince is obviously the best musician of all time, so.
No, he's not. This is the old school, like, this is the MF Doom fan right here. This guy hates Drake. I know he does. He does not like Drake music. The Kendrick Lamar fan.
Let me go back. I'm going to have to eliminate.
Say goodbye,
very
one or three.
sadly,
1 or 3.
Contestant number 1.
Yeah. She doesn't like that. She doesn't like that.
Hi.
Hi.
I'm sorry. Your outfit is amazing though.
You
I
too.
love.
Would you expect him to listen to rap, other than his shirt? Like, you do not expect this guy listening to rap. I thought he listened to like Billy Joel or something like that.
Love
Thank you,
it.
thank you.
What happened to your face?
Oh, it's just Nelly inspired.
Oh, okay. Well, this is cool. Can I look now? Ooh, okay. Contestant number 5 is not what I was expecting at all. I don't know. I just expected him first to be wearing like pants or like.
I'm assuming he's gonna
something
win.
more athletic. I like it though. I like the colors a lot. I'm very into it. Contestant number 3 is kind of what I expected. I also liked his music choices too, so very promising. Can I ask everyone a question now? Okay, where would we go on our first date and what would we be doing?
Definitely love to go on a drive. Probably
This is a very important answer. This is a very important answer right here. You have to understand, she wants to see new experiences. So if you're over here saying, oh, we're gonna go to a dinner, or we're gonna go to some predictable shit, or we're gonna go to a dinner, then I'll take you back home, you're eliminated off the start. That's like the safest answer. She does not want safe answers. She wants something that she's never experienced.
somewhere like near the coast, you know, get that like nice ocean breeze.
Remember, I told you, they do not want to get to know you. They know you're weird from the start. They know you. They can read energies from the start. They know if you're weird. They do not need to know you. Why would they fuck someone without even a date and then ask you to go to 3 dates, 4 dates just to get to know you better? Cap.
Afterwards, I would love to like show you some of my music and maybe cook you something if you're down.
Okay,
Nobody wants to do dusty
I like to
cooking.
go out to like overlooks and cliffs and just kind of like watch the stars or just chill in the car and then talk and like we'll really get to know you.
Okay, so for me,
What
I
in the corny-
consider myself like a big romantic. Definitely gonna take you out to dinner.
She, look at her body language. Look at her body language. She's ready. He's out. Off that one answer, she's already giving her subconscious. Look at her body
For me,
language.
I consider myself like a big romantic. Definitely gonna take you out to dinner.
Look, she's not fucking with it. It's either him or the other guy out instantly. Just off that one. Girls do not want to know that you're this romantic, because guess what? Being this super romantic means you're gonna be a pushover, rollover. Nobody wants that. Nobody wants it where you're a yes man. She wants some resistance. She wants a man.
Dinner. Maybe a place I haven't tried before or somewhere that I know that's really good. And maybe go
She's
like
not
dancing
fucking with that
or
answer.
What kind of dancing would we do? Like swing dancing, ballroom dancing?
I can do a little salsa, just a little bit. So, it's not very.
What the fuck was that? As a Hispanic, I feel offended. Was he drunk and he's like trying to find his like was he drunk and he was like motherfucker, was he drunk and he was trying to find Bro, what are you doing?
Good, but you know, it'll work.
We can work on that.
I'd probably
Yeah, he's
take
out.
you for a ride out to my favorite spot on
Pa' fuera.
Angels Crest Highway, and we probably would have a picnic there, and after then an art museum.
Her body language is saying it all. She likes this corny shit. Wait, what did he say first?
Out to my favorite spot on Angels Crest Highway, and we probably would have a picnic there, and after then an art museum.
What would you drive us to the spot in?
A motorcycle, if that's okay.
Oh, yeah, I've never been on the back of a motorcycle.
What did I tell ya? She just literally, bro. I'm giving y'all free tea on this shit. I'm giving y'all free tips on this shit. No Patreon. Y'all don't even need to subscribe. I don't give a fuck about the number count, the subscription count. Bro, she literally just said it right there, bro. I'm unlocking your mind as we speak. She just said, I told y'all, give her something new, a new experience. Obviously, she wants to, it has to be something that she's down for. Obviously, it's not I'm not saying like bring her some skydiving. She's scared of heights. Like something she's down for. Like something she's like in her head. Like I would want to do this in the future. And then she's never been on the back of a bike. That's already unlocking her mind. Like because girls want fun. She become complacent. and you're very stagnant in your relationship and it's boring, it's very predictable for her, she leaves you. That is one reason. That's one of the main reasons girls leave, because you're boring. She wants something that's very adventurous. She wants, once you become comfortable in the relationship and you're very predictable and she knows what you're about to do, and it becomes a flatline relationship. The relationship is dead and she wants out. This guy's gonna stay for at least another round. Just for saying that.
Actually.
There's always a first.
I would choose a drive-in movie. I drive a truck, so I've got a pretty impressive.
See, she loves that too. She loves that too. Guys, ask a girl if she been to a drive-in movie. That's a great date. It's just y'all two. Y'all could really talk shit on the movie. Vintage. It's like a vintage date. That's a good date. That's a very it's an experience you won't forget. That date you won't forget. Especially if it's your first time, right?
Air mattress, blankets, pillows, picnic, all of that, all set up. Preferably a horror movie if you're into that sort of thing.
Ooh, I do
love
like
horror movies.
Okay.
Just two? Oh, I only had one.
Oh, two.
Okay. I have to rethink now.
I know Michael Jackson shoes gone.
Contestant number
Michael
2.
Jackson shoes? Okay.
Just
I told y'all.
hi, Jess.
I
Nice
I
to
wasn't
meet you.
expecting him to
Nice
leave
to meet
this
you.
early.
Sorry,
But
your
No,
answer
you're
was just
fine.
not
What was your
as dramatic. I'm Jess.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
what did he just say?
Hi, Jess. Nice
Sorry.
to meet.
What? Did y'all just hear that? That is a no. That just verified that you were a pussy. You go around the shit and you say sorry for your answers. Guys, do not say sorry as often as you do. Stop. If you say sorry a lot, cut it down. That is showing your soft side. You do not want to show your soft side right away. Cut down on saying sorry for no reason. He just said sorry. That you might say that's not a big deal. It is a big deal. It's huge. I know girls who are very direct, telling people stop saying sorry so often. That is very big. Like, I'm sorry, very soft tone.
Just
That is showing beta mentality.
hi, Jess.
Look,
Nice
Sorry.
to meet you.
sorry.
Nice
What
to
do you
meet
think?
you.
Sorry, your
No,
answer
you're
was just
fine. What
not
was your
as dramatic. I'm Jess.
Yeah, it was the answers. It's okay.
Yeah.
All right.
So now
What
it's
in a
going to
pussy?
be
Number-
number 2.
Yeah,
Yeah.
told ya. That shit was ass. And he looked.
Sorry.
No, you
Hi.
two are good. I'm Joe.
I'm Jess. I
Nice to
love
meet
your
you.
outfit so much.
Thank you. I
though.
appreciate it. And about the sustainable fashion, I work at a thrift store.
He
Really?
definitely.
So
more,
I'm like,
That would have been a power couple.
I would have been a. Yeah.
I feel like the tops definitely match the pants. I still
At this point, she doesn't give a fuck about the outfits. She's looking at body types and what she wants.
really like the outfit on the end. You have really cool style. Yeah, I like
He's thinking he's about to win.
the leather jacket. Goes with the motorcycle. Goes with the rock music. It's all making sense now.
Oh, nothing about me?
I mean, it looks very like comfy. I see maybe a little bit of a chain. I like that.
And you're not even subbed, the weirdo. Looking at me like that.
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
I am leaving in
I
about
hate
6
this
months
question.
To Asia. I'm starting a business.
I'm about to making a video. I don't know when, but how this question right here sets you up for failure. Putting a date on your goals, on big goals, could be horrible. Like, what if you do it in 6 years? What if you do it in 7 years? You know, you're gonna feel like a failure. This is not a very good question. I hate this question. I always avoid this question.
Business project in the Philippines with my friend. We are developing affordable housing for pretty much anyone around the world to be able to vacation. I'm trying to, make it more accessible for people to be able to visit beautiful places.
Oh, that's a great answer. Yeah, it's super sweet. I like that.
Probably tattooing and traveling at the same time. Currently, I'm doing a tattoo apprenticeship down in OC. Hopefully that will give me opportunity.
Sold the bag. You fucking idiot. And her body language just says it all.
A tattoo apprentice.
Places.
Probably tattooing and traveling at
After coming from that, he's about to give affordable houses to tattooing. You sold the fucking bag. You sold the fucking bag, motherfucker. And look at her body
the same
language. She
time.
says it.
Currently, I'm
He's
doing
like-
a tattoo apprenticeship down in OC. Hopefully that will give me opportunity
Boring.
to travel and work at the same time.
What got you into tattoos, or what was your first tattoo?
Well, what got me into tattooing was art in general, and I've been drawing all my life. I have a degree in fine arts. I just figured that's a way to make money and do what I love. And first tattoo, I was 17, and it was in New York City, and I got a skull on the inside of my bicep.
I do not have any tattoos right now, but I do want to get one eventually.
I'm pretty stationary compared to everybody else, I suppose. I would like to either open up my own
Fucking
dealership
boring-ass
or start
answer.
brokering out cars personally. Cars are my passion, so.
What's your dream car?
Ooh, I'm a big Mercedes-Benz guy. I worked for
I
them
knew it.
for about 4 years, so maybe.
I didn't know it, but I said I did.
I would say maybe an SLS Gullwing.
The fuck is that?
I think
2. Get out of
the
here.
first person I'm going to eliminate is contestant number 2.
Wait, you have to eliminate 2?
First person I'm going to.
I know 2 is out.
The first
He
person
sold
I'm going
it.
to eliminate is contestant number 2.
Yeah, you sold it, you fucking idiot. You had the bike on. You had her with the bike.
Hi, I'm Jess. Nice to meet
Morrow,
you.
pleasure meeting you.
Wait, what is it?
Morrow,
Morrow. Nice
pleasure
to meet
meeting you. I
too.
like your jacket.
Thank you. I like yours too.
Thank you.
Give me 30 seconds. Give me 30 seconds to think. This is really tough. I feel like I like both their outfits in different ways, and I gotta think back to the answers. I'm gonna eliminate contestant number 2.
Yeah.
I'm so sad about it though.
Yeah.
It's all good.
I
Hi,
said
I'm
it. I was like
Jess.
pre.
Nice to meet you, Jess. Quinn.
Quinn, nice to meet you too.
It's
That was
just the other guy's answer was just way better. If it was just off of outfits, to her that's a better outfit, right? But off of just that answer, off that building affordable, blah blah blah, she's into that bullshit. It's not bullshit, but she's into that shit. That won her. She's over acting like it's about the outfits. I'm wondering which outfit. No.
very narrow. It's very close. Hey, I'm Jess.
Hey, what's up? Nice meeting you.
What's your name?
Taryn, I'm honestly really excited about what you're doing in the future with sustainable
Oh,
fashion.
thank you.
That's
I
a
liked
really
what you
cool
were gonna
idea.
do. Like your plan for 5
See?
years. I was very into it.
Awesome.
And I think it was your first date that like really got me because it sounded
Oh.
like fun. I think there's definitely like a lot of elements that I do like. The jewelry, I've never gone for before, but I kind of like it.
Glad I'm spicing it up.
Yeah, you are spicing it up.
You kind of like it. Awkward ass stance.
I mean,
Let's get married.
oh yeah, okay.
I have rings.
Oh, you have multiple. Yours are cooler than
Pig.
mine too.
We're getting married.
We're married.
It was meant to be. It was meant to be.
We can go for a drive into the distance.
Yeah, into the sunset.
Not on a motorcycle.
Obviously.
That was so dickies. That was so dickies. I'm about to react. Hey, I don't get 2 in 1. That was so dick eats, bro. Look what he said. I don't know why he took a shot at him like that.
Go for a drive into the distance.
Yeah, into the sunset.
Not on a motorcycle.
Obviously.
It was so dickies, bro. Why did you? Because he was the one with the motorcycle. And he's like, nah, I know about. And then he was rubbing it in his face. But you lost too, Tyler the Creator. There's more videos down below. Just go ahead and watch them. I'm about to be just going crazy this October, spooky October, with a whole bunch of videos, just body language tips. If you guys want to learn how to hack subconscious, it's not even just girls. Everybody's subconscious. You have to learn through body language. It's the strongest dating. It's the strongest dating language there is, and no one is tapping in on this. You have to understand, dating languages tells the truth because girls, they think one thing and they try to say it in the nicest way, so you don't get your feelings hurt. But you want your feelings hurt because that's the truth. But with that being said,
I'm not because I've been fucking raw.